In today's video, we're going to explore connecting your Google Calendar directly from your account. So first, let's get started by logging in, and we will log in with our support Google account. And once you're logged in, simply go to Settings, click on Connect Calendars, and you can see I already have a calendar connected here. I'm going to delete it to show you really easy to delete a calendar that you've already connected. And now let's go through the process of connecting a calendar. So I'm going to click on Connect Google Calendar. I'll be prompted by Google to select an account. I select my account, and basically you're signing into this account. So click Continue, and here Google will let you know the access that we will have. We'll be able to see, edit, share, and permanently delete all the calendars you can access using Google Calendar. So the only thing that we do, we write to a calendar when a booking has occurred, and it's a calendar of your choice. And then we also read from one or two calendars or more calendars that you select in order to see if there's a scheduling conflict. If there is a scheduling conflict, we'll let you know and allow you to take action that you prefer. So let's go ahead and connect this calendar. Click Allow. And now you can see that my Google Calendar is connected, and you have two options here. The first option is to select calendars to check for conflicts. Here you can select multiple calendars. And so I'm going to select this one. And now it's successfully connected. And in the section below is you have to select one calendar for us to add events to. So anytime you get a booking, we will post this booking into this calendar that you select. So I'm going to select this one, and that's how easy it is to set up. So you have let us know which calendar to check for conflicts and which calendar to post any new bookings to. And you already saw how easy it is to disconnect a calendar by simply clicking on the red trash can. So now let's take a look at what a booking looks like and how that works. So I'm going to go here to log out. And now we're going to go to our experts page and create a booking. So I'm going to book an appointment to simulate how that would look. I'm going to pick 30 minutes for tomorrow at 10 a.m. And once I complete the booking, and oops, I'm going one, selected the wrong email. So once I complete the booking, this will be automatically added to my calendar. And that's how easy it is. So now let's take a look at the calendar, and you can see July 31st at 10 a.m. is the booking in the correct calendar that I selected. That's how easy it is.